Now that you have all the tools necessary to run an online business, you have your platform, you have ways to make content, you also have products to sell. And with all of that, the next steps is to set a strategy. Now, the scope of this website is not to help with strategy, but to get you to the gate and then from there direct you to what would be best for you. Now, if you've gone through and you've done everything step by hand and you're a hands-on person, then we have links there below for you. If you would like hands-on training, a wonderful company called Wealthy Affiliate, they have a free 7-day trial, and then you can keep your membership for life as you learn. And then there's some other solutions down below. We also have ebooks that you can go ahead and download and purchase if you are a do-it-yourself. Thank you very much for letting me help you build your first online free business. And be sure to subscribe and tell all your friends, like, share. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.